Hey, this is Captain Kevin with Florida Keys Real Adventures. We're out on a family catch and release shark trip right now. Got a little weather adversity coming in. We're doubled up, already landed 2, and we got sharks everywhere coming around. Look at them all. They're frenzying. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 13 sharks, 14. 14 sharks in the slick right now. You can see they're coming right up. How do you guys like shark fishing? That's one. That's another. Here it comes. Here it comes. Chip down. It's on it. Just don't do anything. Don't do anything. Oh, he's moving. Did you get a nibble? Yeah. Did you get a nibble?
That thing's going under. Thing's moving.
Keep your rod tip separate. Wind. Come on, guys. We're angling. There we go. How would you describe that?
That's an exhilarating feeling.
What was your presentation?
Got whomped.
Did you have to jig it?
They got whomped.
Alright, watch this. Oh, he didn't like that. There's 2 more coming in. There's 2 more coming in. Just keep it just like that. Just like that. There's a little guy coming in. Drop your rod tip. Drop your rod tip. Lift your rod tip. The little guy. Like a 30, 40 pounder. Nicely done. You can keep bending that rod. The rod's your shock absorber. Now give me a left side pressure and pull him back this way. There's your bite.
There we go.
Wind down. See that leader? Don't reload. Stop. All I gotta do is put that leader in my hands. We'll crank on him here. All right, lift. There we go. All right, watch your digits. Bad angle. All right, there we go. Just got a bit here. Side pressure. Help you out a little bit. Nope. It's probably for the best. We got a leader grab on him. We're good. I would say that one was about 130. Watch what's happening. Show. Did you get a bite? Wind. Nope, they're faster than you. She's got the friendly bite on there. Over, under. Oh, look at the big jump. Woo! Look at him roll. Yep, nice job. Wind, 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 wind. There's always winding on the handle. Yep, pull them apart, guys. Get separation. There are so many sharks here right now. Yeah, you saw that, right? That was almost a little close. He was like, maybe, maybe. Watch this. So careful. Lift, 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 lift. I don't think he was done yet. Watch those big shocks. That's a big one. That's really close. Just a hand, I got two of them. Lift, 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 lift. Perfect. That's the way I like it. scratch if they get you. You guys enjoying this? That's a good one. I can't believe I didn't let go of the camera. His tail just hit the camera. See, I'm holding the camera with my hands. I am shaking. Wow, that scared me. God, look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holy crap, I'm shaking now. It'd be better if there wasn't so much glare right here. Bag. It's an expensive bag. Wrong bag.
Took down the boat. We got on Snapchat.
Here he is, it's the guy again. That's a big boy. Are we done, guys? Are we done?
That's it.
We're done hand holding the camera. We're gonna go home now. I can use my elbows to drive the boat in.
Yo, that thing went.
They're twitchy. I don't know about you, I had a lot of fun today.
That was a great trip, man. That was a great trip.
Anybody want to tug on one of these? Tug of war? Just let them come right up to it nice and natural. There he goes. Look at the two of the big ones coming in. Oh, that's a good one. Lift, 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 lift. See if you can get him to come out of water. Like once he bites down, give it a little pull and see if you can bring him up. Bring it up, bring it up. Oh, he's off. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Leave it at the top. I was hoping that big one would follow it. Little guy. Let's go ahead and pull that back one. Here comes the big guy. Big guy's coming in. Big guy's coming in. He just just dump in that motor well. Just let it sit back there. Yeah, like don't dump it out, but just leave it sit in the motor well. Here we go. You're on lift. Lift. The guy's rolling in. The guy's rolling in. Don't jingle it, just let me. You gotta build their confidence. Like stuff you see in the Bahamas. Look at them all. Getting frenzied. You want to go swimming in that?
It's only heads.
And see if we can just slowly pull them up. So here it comes. Gentle lift. Gentle lift. Gentle lift. Perfect! Are you standing on there real good? Make sure you're anchored. Here it comes. Lift gently. Lift gently. So if you want to book a shark trip just like these folks did, go to FloridaKeysRealAdventures.com to make your reservations.